Hi, it's Mrs. Robinson, and I just wanted to tell you about our first virtual tour that we're going to be doing today, and it's going to take us to the Mint. Now, a mint is a place where coins are made, and there's 6 different mints in the United States of America. We are going to tour the one that's in Denver. Okay, you guys are familiar with coins, okay? You know that we have the quarter, and we use the nickel. Here's the nickel. Where is it? Here it is. Nickel. Oh, and there's a president on there. That's Thomas Jefferson. And let's go back to the quarter. The quarter has our very first president on there. That is George Washington. Okay, then we have the dime that has Roosevelt on it. The dime is the teeny tiny one, Roosevelt. And then we also have the penny, which has our 16th president on it. And who would that be? He used to wear a tall stovepipe hat, and he had a beard, and his name was Abraham Lincoln. Okay, so I always like to sing this song, and maybe you guys sang it too, but it always reminds me of what a coin is and how much it's worth. And the song goes like this. A penny is worth 1, a nickel is worth 5, dime is 10 cents, a quarter's 25. Okay, that tells you what the coin is and how much it's worth. So one more time. A penny is worth 1, a nickel is worth 5, a dime is 10 cents, a quarter's 25. Okay, so there are other coins too that we don't see as often as those coins that we just talked about. This is a $50. It has President Kennedy on it, and it's worth 50 cents. And then they also have silver dollars that has a president on it too. That's Dwight D. Eisenhower. And that's a really big coin. And then sometimes they have other dollar coins that you don't see quite as often. Okay, so anyhow, this video that we are going to listen to talks about how coins are made, and that's pretty cool to see. And it also talks about special coins called commemorative coins, and those are coins that have famous people or places on it. So check out the games on this website too. They are really cool. There's games for all ages, okay? So I think even if you're in kindergarten, there's some good kindergarten games. If you're in first grade, there's some good first grade games. And if you're in second grade, there's some good second grade games too. The one that I really liked the best was the map game, where you have to figure out what state is what. And then when you really get good at the states, you can do it with the capitals of the states. So that is a really tough game. It's a real challenge. But I hope you like it. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.